Hello, April. It is April 1st, you guys. A start of a new month, start of new blessings, start of new productivities, start of new creativities, start of new stop being lazy and get to work. Good morning, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. Stay a while. I'm looking crazy right now. I actually just woke up. It's 11:11. Oh, make a wish. It's 11:11 Saturday. I have a few errands to run. Actually, before I run those errands, I have to wash. My hair's been like this. Well, it's actually messed up because I didn't wrap it or put a scarf on last night or anything. My hair's been slicked back, gelled up for the past 2 weeks, and I'm tired of it. I need my hair done. This company is sending me some hair. Well, they sent it already for me to review for them, so I have to go pick that up from my Amazon hub locker. I have to go pick that up. But before I go pick that up, I'm going to wash my hair first. Wash it, treat it, deep condition it. And then I'm going to go to the Africans to so I could get some straight back cornrows before I install the hair that the company sent me. And this company is so dope. They already paid me. And I love that for me. They paid me before I even got the hair. So that's what's up. I really love that for me. I also have to go to Home Depot to pick up some boxes. Oh, I gotta go to Walgreens or CVS to get a new SD card for my camera because I keep running out of space. I have so much content for you guys coming. I just need to edit. Editing is really time consuming. Yeah, editing is a lot. I have so much vlogs, so many like videos for you guys, but it's coming. It's coming. I actually don't feel good today. I don't know. I woke up a little, my head feels heavy. It's raining. I honestly don't feel good today, and I rarely ever don't feel good. So yeah, let me get off of this and I'll bring you guys along with me. I got this new blow dryer from Amazon. I'm going to use it before I add it to my Amazon storefront. I'm going to use it to see if it's really good for especially my type of hair. I'm gonna see how it works. Then I'll let you guys know. I'll put you guys on. Period. What else? If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and subscribe. If you're into these type of videos, hit that notification bell so you guys will be notified every time I post a new video. Yeah. So, oh, actually, let me unbox, before I go wash my hair, let me do this quick unboxing video. Hold on, let me set you guys up. Alright, y'all. So this package I got from Amazon. Oh, I got me a new, what is this called again? A USB jack for my MacBook Pro. Because after I'm done using my SD cards on here, in order for me to edit my videos on my MacBook, I needed one of, so yeah, I have one of these already, but I had it for like a little over a year, and all of a sudden, the charging spots work, but the SD part stopped working, so I had to order me a new one for my laptop. So yeah. I can't edit videos without this. Like all these content creators, we spend money on these things. Ring lights, we spend money. If you know, you know. I also got me a new blow dryer. It's by Revlon. So it's a hair dryer and styler. We'll see. We'll see how it works, and then if it does turn out to make my hair like actually look like a hair salon blow dry, I'll add it to my Amazon storefront for you guys so you guys could go get it for yourselves. But I'm gonna review it first and let you guys know. And I also got me some heat protectant spray. This is really good. It's called pre-iron spray leave-in conditioner. It protects up to 450 heat and reduces frizz and hydrates for a 3-day sleek. I love this one. I'll put the link in my Amazon storefront for you guys. So yeah, that was all for right now. I still have a few more packages to go pick up. So yeah, let's go wash my hair and then get ready to head out, because and last weekend I had brought my mother to go get her eye examined, and she ended up ordering some new glasses. They're ready. They sent me a text, so I have to go pick up those glasses for her too. So I have a few stops to make in this rainy day. I will be wearing a hoodie and sweatpants because it's just that type of day. It's cold. Yeah. And I don't want to get sick because I'm about to wash my hair and blow dry it, and then I'm going to head out in the rain. If you're Haitian, you know what Haitian parents say about washing your hair and then stepping out the house. Other people probably say that too, but Haitians, like, they really get on us for that. So yeah, I'll be back. wash day was literally a breeze because of this. Like, this cut my blow drying time literally in half. Literally. Like, this thing is a game changer. Like, what? I'm late, but I'm happy I bought this. Period. I'm about to end it with some Marula Mint sealing oil. It's used to help strengthen, encourage new growth and stuff. So I will link. This is Black owned. I will link her information in my bio. I'm about to go to the hair salon and get some straight backs so I could install this hair that this company sent me really quick. See? So you guys, I washed my hair, I blow dried it. Now I'm gonna go get some straight backs. It's raining out. That's what I got on. My J's. And we out. So the sun came out. Who remember these?
DJ was chilling on the ground like this.
Who remember these? The Aqua 4s. Who remembers these? The Aqua 4s. Look at my baby. Look at my baby. So of course I am stuck. Every time I pick up my mother, I'm out for more than 3 hours tops. Like, every time. Right now she got us at Patel Brothers.
Trying to buy mangoes.
Patel Brothers is this Indian store that has stuff for Haitians and Caribbeans and Jamaicans and it's just that's where she's at, and we're gonna be here for a while. I still didn't get my hair cornrowed yet. I still didn't go get my seafood boil yet. I didn't even tell you guys I was getting a seafood boil. It is Saturday. I'm in the mood for some seafood. I need some seafood boil in my life, and I am gonna film while I eat it. I'm gonna demolish it because it's been a while. So yes, I am gonna get me a seafood boil. My son is sleeping. So yes, we're waiting on my mother to get back in the car so we could leave.
While we're waiting.
So this is how my little cornrows came out, and then this is how the back looks. Let's see the back. So I'm about to go pick up actually I gotta go to the hair beauty supply store to buy some bleach and processor, whatever it's called, so I could bleach the knots, because on my wig that I'm about to install. So yeah, let me go and I'll be back.
I'm gonna do this video like this. Without the niggas fighting.
Oh, 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 oh. Need you.
So you guys, before I install the wig, I would like to do like a little self-care kind of a thing. It's Sunday. I want to do like a skincare. I got to do my brows. I got to do my lashes. So before I install my wig, I want to at least take care of my face, my skin. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. And I am using this eyebrow kit from Walgreens. I already took it out the package, but this is how it looks. It comes with eyebrow stencils, different arches that fits your own face. This is what it looks like. It comes in this pack right here. So yeah, that's what I'm doing before I install my wig. So what I did was just outlined the stencil with a pencil, eyebrow pencil. Now I'm going to take it off and pluck. See how that? So here and up here, I'm just going to pluck it and shape it to that. If y'all understand what I'm saying. Yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Y'all see the difference? So now that I'm done doing that, I'm just going to like, see that extra? I'm just gonna cut. It's a little long, so I'm just gonna cut them down a little. Like that right there. Y'all see that? Just gonna cut it down a little. So I am mad red in that area right now, but that's okay. It's gonna go away. So this is how it's looking. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do this side. I taped it down where I wanted it to be exactly. So now let's trace. Let's outline this clean part.
No. No.
So all this extra letters down here, gotta go. So you guys, I'm done. I just washed my face. I gave myself a little facial. So now I'm about to do my lashes and then let's put on this wig. So you guys, for lashes, I'm going to install these Kiss individuals. It's supposed to look natural. I'm going to probably use the short ones and then make my way up to the medium ones. We'll see. This is going to be maybe my third time trying individuals by myself, but we'll see. Change of plans, I'm not using those. It didn't come with glue for me to use them, so I'm just gonna use, oh, well actually I could have used strip lash glue. I'm just gonna put on these lashes. That's it. Lashes are on. Just came in the kitchen to grab a drink. So good. Let's get back to work.
Yeah.
Mm.
Oh, guess what?
Out where?
Kitty.
All right, you guys. So I just got out the shower. While I was in the shower, I had my the lace melting, the term melting into my scalp. So now I'm about to take it off and see how it looks. So you guys, I like how the hair turned out. If you guys want this wig unit, go check out my Amazon storefront. I will leave the link there for this exact company, this exact hair. I will leave the information in my Amazon storefront, which the link will be in my description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Like, share, comment down below what other videos you guys want to see from me. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you guys could be notified every time I post a new video. This is the end of this vlog, and I will be back later.